Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a business portfolio on Meta Business Suite. I'll be walking through this on the web version. Navigate directly to business.facebook.com/settings. This is the main backend dashboard for your portfolio. If you have multiple business accounts, this link takes you to the last one you worked in. You can switch accounts using the dropdown in the top left if you need to. Once the dashboard loads, scroll down the left-hand navigation panel to the bottom and click on Business Info. You'll know you're in the right place when the Business Info page loads. This displays core details about your portfolio, like its name, ID, and primary page. Now scroll down in the Business Info section to find the option labeled Permanently Delete Business. This should appear toward the top of the Business Info page, right below your portfolio name and ID. If you can't see this option at all, or if it's grayed out, that means you don't have full admin access to the portfolio. This option is only visible to admins. Once you've found it, click on Permanently Delete Business to start the deletion process. Meta Business Suite will now show you a series of confirmation screens. Review each one carefully. Depending on your portfolio setup, Meta may require you to remove or reassign major assets before deletion, or it might prompt you to assign a new page owner. It'll also ask you to provide a reason for deleting the account. After working through all the confirmation prompts, you'll reach the final confirmation screen. Confirm the deletion through this final prompt, and Meta Business Suite will start the process of deleting your business portfolio. Once it's deleted, the action is permanent, there's no undo button, and Meta support can't recover it. Here are two important things to know. First, deleting your business portfolio does not delete your Facebook page, Instagram profile, or ad accounts. It only removes the management layer. Second, if you have employees, contractors, or agency partners who access assets through the portfolio, their access will be completely removed. You'll need to re-grant them permissions individually on each asset if they still need access. Thanks for watching.